Hello friends, welcome to the channel Garden Diary of Sporshaw. Today I'll sow seeds of pepper, gourd, French bean, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, green peas and bitter gourd. These seeds I bought online from a store. Whenever you buy seeds, buy from any reputed company. Otherwise, your patience, your labor, all will go in vain. Among these two seeds, this chili and this tomato, I sown earlier also. On 16th of September, I sown these two seeds and you see only two have been sprouted from tomato, but other tomatoes are sprouted nicely. And when I have seen the chili also sprouted only two in number. But you see, the capsicum on the same day has sprouted nicely. So this time, if it doesn't sprout properly, I have to conclude that the seeds are not in a good shape. Now the other seeds. These seeds are bigger and you can plant these seeds directly into the container or the ground. But I won't do this. The reason I'll tell later. First, I'll take the seeds and soak them in water and I'll keep it for 24 hours. These are beans. I'll take 6 to 8 of it and soak them in water. Now, after soaking them, I'll keep the rest of the seeds in a pack and seal it properly. This has 1 year validity. I can use them later. And similarly, I'll soak other seeds too. Now, why I don't plant them directly? Because rain is very unpredictable nowadays. Rain can destroy your seedlings. Moreover, the birds, insect, rodents love to munch your new seedlings. So, I don't plant them directly. I transplant them when they are 6 to 8 inches long. Next day. First, I'll plant the tomato and the chili. I'll take only coco peat. The reason I told in my earlier video, and I'll plant them in an empty space of a seed tray where I didn't plant anything earlier. This is Trichoderma viride powder. This is a fungus, living fungus. I'm adding this to the coco peat. It is not absolutely necessary, but this fungus will prevent the growth of any bad fungus in the soil. Now I'll take little bit of this Trichoderma powder and mix it with my tomato seeds. This is also called seed treatment. And after mixing the seeds with the powder, I'll spread this seeds into the seed tray. Now I'll take the chili seeds also and treat in the same way and spread it to an empty slot. Now I'm mixing the Trichoderma powder properly with the coco peat and I'll spread the coco peat over the seeds very lightly. Like this. Now I'll label by writing the name of the plant which I have sown and the date on which I have sown it. It will be very helpful in future to know the results and to find out my plants. I don't mix anything to the coco pit because for initial 3 to 4 leaves, the seedling has enough food stored in the seed itself. It is given by the nature. Later, after 2 to 4 leaves, I transplant them to a bigger container where I'll mix it with compost. Now I'll take the other seeds and mix it with the Trichoderma viride powder. And I'll sow them into a paper cup or glass where I made holes at the bottom, and I'll fill this cup with coco pit 3/4 tightly, and I'll write the name of each plant which I am sowing, mentioning the date. You should press the coco pit very tightly into the bottom part, and then you just put the seeds over it. Cover them with the media. This should be light, that should just cover the seeds, which is enough. Like this. After these plants get 5 to 6 inches tall, I will plant them to the container. I'll do the same for the next all the seeds, like this. Sowing of seeds is almost complete. Thank you for watching the video by taking your valuable time. Hope you have liked this. If you have liked it, press the like button and share it to your friends, and subscribe the channel to get more such videos. Thank you.